Hey Emuna world, I just wanted to share a quick story with you. And that is that I realized this weekend I forgot to laugh. Just in general, I've been so busy in life and work and bills and homemaking and everything else going on. I realized that I forgot to laugh. I forgot to include laughter in my day today. This weekend we went up in the mountains, and that's where you got that video clip here that we started the video off with. And we had so much fun, and I found myself laughing, and it startled me. I was startled by the sound of my own laughter, just pure out, joyful laughter, and I realized I don't remember the last time I've laughed like this. Isn't that crazy? How crazy is that to have gone so long with just laughing that you can't remember the last time you did it? So why am I sharing this with you? We are coming up to Passover, and Rabbi Arush tells us that for Noahides, for all of the world, Passover is a celebration of freedom, and the ultimate freedom is Emuna. And when I think about Passover, I think about doing work on myself, everything that I need to be working on, improving character traits. But I also need to remember the joy and the happiness and laughing and having fun and playing. Those are all important, because without those things, without happiness, it's impossible to gain true Emuna, to really live our Emuna. So I wanted to share that with you. I wanted to remind you to smile and laugh and breathe and know that all of the issues, all of the things that come up in the day, to take your time, that distract you from doing your work, from working on your mission, from getting closer to the Creator, that all of these things are just a veil. They're just challenges and tests, and we must remember that getting close to the Creator is what we're supposed to be working on, and we're supposed to be doing that joyfully and happily. And so I wanted to remind you to don't forget to laugh, don't forget to have fun, don't forget to play, and don't forget your Emuna, and you're constantly talking with the Creator and asking Him to strengthen you and give you more and more Emuna. So with that, be sure to click the subscribe button, and I wish you a week filled with Emuna.